August got the RC fever.
Ready?
Here she was kind enough to lay down and let me see if I could jump her. Look at that. She was having such a good day at the track. So yeah, I adjusted my differentials. I rebuilt everything. I still have 10,000 in the rear, and then I was stuck with 30 in the center. And I tried 20 in the front, but I didn't like the results. The on-power steering coming out of the corners didn't feel right, so I just ended up taking them apart after a pack in there and switching it back to 30,000 in the front. It felt great.
Well, I definitely noticed on my first race back the other day, last week, was that you do not want to make mistakes. It's not about driving fast. It's about driving medium fast and not making mistakes. 2-3 mistakes can cost you a race. Heck, one mistake could. All depends on who your company is as well. Got a really sweet ride height gauge, that Gia ride height gauge, and I'm running about 23 millimeters right now all around. I'm going to experiment a little bit with running a different ride height in the front than rear. I think maybe a little lower in the front. I'm going to try that.
Thank y'all for checking out a little bit of this practice footage. I got some more cool pictures today you can check out. And yeah, just trying to get her dialed, ready to head to Pennsylvania and do some racing, some 10th scale outdoor racing out there. So that should be an awesome time. And I'm also thinking about getting an 8th scale rig. So if you guys have any ideas, I don't know if I'm going to go truggy buggy 8th scale, and I don't know if I'm going to do nitro or electric. So please leave in the comments below. Let me know what you think I should do. Thanks for watching.
Steer.
Let's check out some other sweet pictures here and that ride height gauge.